Hello. Half Pinay. Me full Pinay. Not half. Bisaya. Salamat. Hi, salamat malam. Boka Jadil. Our Sheho are so attractive and beautiful. Thank you. Half Chinese and half Pinay. Yeah, I saw it on your profile pic. You're looking Chinese. You have seen cute eyes. And me, how about me? Do I look like a half Japanese, half shepherd? Shih Tzu? So what mom gave me? What's that? So what mom gave me? Give what? How long are you in Philippines? Since birth. Since birth. Not yet. Not yet done to go anywhere in outside the country. Stay only in Philippines. Me. Someone like that. What's that? Really son? Yeah, since birth. I haven't go to anywhere outside in the Philippines, but I'm planning to go outside, but sad to say I don't have money to spend for going outside in the Philippines. Yep. Hi, Tati Mayati. Hello. Shout out everyone, guys. Shout out everyone. Hello, guys. Hello, Michael Thompson. I hope you buy my super chat, super thanks, and super chat. Join my membership. Your body looks are attractive. My body big body. How about my hair? My super. Hi, Thailand. No, I'm not a Thailand. I'm a Filipina. I saw you mean that you are in Thailand. Ngayon gabi wala akong nakikitang kagandahan. Wala. Okay lang. Walang magaganda. And it's a simple one. Sal, you buy my super chat. I know you have that. And you also join my membership. Hi. Hi, Thailand. No, I'm not Thailand. I'm in Philippines. I'm going to... It's... Oh, great. Thank you. Thank you, Sal. Thank you, Sal. I hope you join my membership again. I hope you have there so more rupees. You chose more Sal and join to my mom. I know that you have last time I saw it. Yo, I really appreciate your kindness and generosity too. But what you said, you don't see any beautiful today. Why? Oh, super beautiful mommy. Hey. Whatever. Wow. And then I go live for about 30 to 40 minutes now because this is only this live is not, you're talking about 1 hour. It really is so, it's called this dry when you talk, but you need to watch, and many are sending super chat. I think my mouth is over there for smiling, and my eyes is getting like that. Thank you. Thank you.